That RICO case fall apart.
War RICO case. Bobby was inside for Georgie Cruz.
You know, I get it. You and Munson gotta keep that secret.
Where's this headed?
That wasn't the only RICO secret in Sam Crow. There's somebody else talking to the feds, giving them information on the cartel. Said we should work together.
What do you want?
I want Frankie Diamonds and anyone else responsible for killing my wife and my unborn child. I know you will find them before I will.
And if I do?
Give them to me and I give you the rat at your table.